Hello, students. Welcome back. How are you? Where are you on the compass? Centered, feeling, thinking, believing, or doing? Stems on top because of student requests. The title of the article is, the article is written by, I picked this article because. Here's a video lesson video. Ignite in all of quarter 2. What has been your favorite article or video so far? Chunk, pick your one favorite article or video. You can use any of the texts we have covered in Schoology assignments or in your independent reading or in Newsela or other good source. Watch me as I report on something I've read. Full article is linked here. First, I locate an article. I'll log on to Newsela and search. Second, I reread and jot answers to the prompts. Third, I choose whether to talk or write in the discussion. 1. The title of the article is Opinion the Athlete is Agent of Change. The article was written by Lonnie Bunch and David Skorton, Washington Post, adapted by Newsela staff. 3. I picked this article because I appreciate people who work to make the U.S. a better place. Common Core Standards, 1st, 7th, and 8th grade, delineate and evaluate the argument. Glossary, delineate, describe, evaluate, tell whether it is convincing, evidence, examples that they are right, and relevant, helps with the main message, not some other main message. Review, your turn to pick. The title of the article is, the article is written by or appears on, I picked this article because. Rubric, all 3 prompts answered with well thought out ideas presented in full sentences gets 4 points. 3 points, 3 prompts answered with developed ideas in full sentences. 2, 3 prompts answered in complete sentences. 1, 2 prompts answered in complete sentences. 0, 1 or fewer prompts answered. Come on, tell us about an article or one of the following videos. Skip Marley, don't be an activist, a teenager suing the government over climate change. What if you don't have a favorite? Watch the following video clip and respond to it. Don't be an activist. Getting an education in a racist culture is an act of activism for a person of color. Mistakes are good. Pick one. What is your favorite point? Type in the discussion. Education or mistakes? Questions, please email me at jacqueline.stocker@svps.org. Thank you, students.